If you have a sick child, there's a good chance you'll have to wait to get an appointment. 13 of Texas's 22 regions currently have no pediatric ICU beds available. Growing pediatric cases of influenza, RSV, and COVID are overwhelming Texas healthcare systems. Add in overall healthcare staffing shortages, and it's adding to lengthy wait times for patients. That's why some state lawmakers want to prioritize long-time workforce solutions.
So many factors here that are working toward why we have a shortage, and we've got to do more to invest in the workforce pipeline with education, reimbursement, tuition assistance, getting faculty in place. All those things are going to be significantly important to get the workforce that we need.
For parents who may not be able to get their child into a pediatrician, healthcare professionals recommend trying to get a telehealth appointment before going to the ER. And here locally, the number of flu, RSV, and COVID-19 cases continue to rise, as does the strain on local hospitals, specifically those who treat children.
And school districts in the borderland are urging parents to keep their kids home if they feel sick. KTSM 9 News reporter Tani Davis spoke with a representative from Canutillo ISD about how they're keeping their students safe. Good evening, Tani.
Carla, and the Canutillo Independent School District has seen a significant amount of students absent from classes, but are working with parents to make sure that their kids do not fall behind. Over the last few weeks, Canutillo ISD says respiratory illnesses are causing the attendance rate to drop from their average 97% down to 94%. While that number may be small, it has a significant impact across the district.
94% still sounds like, a good chunk of our kids are there, and that's true. But those 3 percentage points make a huge difference. We don't want to be at that level. Those figures are of concern to us.
If a student does miss school because of an illness, they will have to make up their work at home or another way the school may offer due to the state rules for face-to-face instruction. If there are other factors involved, Canutillo ISD says they will work with the parents to make sure their student is able to keep up.
Whatever resources we have to make sure to guarantee that kid does not fall behind, we are going to do that.
Canutillo is continuing to disinfect their classrooms and work with health professionals to ensure students' safety, but they are also calling on parents to make sure they are keeping them safe as well.
So at this point, we urge families to stay vigilant. And to really, if the child is sick, keep them home, and get them the help they need to get healthy again, and bring them back to school as soon as they're ready to start learning again.
Rivera says as long as students are keeping track of the students' health, they are able to work with them to make sure that they end the semester on a positive note. Live from West El Paso, Tani Davis, KTSM 9 News.